how to download Epic Games on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to download Epic Games Launcher or store on your PC or laptop, that is your whether you are using Windows 10 or 11, here's what you need to do. So first, just head over to your any preferred browser and simply search in for Epic Games Launcher, and you just head over to this official website of the first link over here. And once inside here, make sure you are already logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged in or signed in with my account. Now you should already see the download button over here. Just tap on this and basically it will automatically start downloading your .setup file. So you can basically open this .msif file, which is a setup file. So once you double click on it, you can just run it. And once you run this setup launcher over here, you can just tap on this install by selecting your installation directory and just click on yes, just like that. And just wait for a few seconds. And once it's finally successfully installed on your device, you can automatically open the application via your startup menu from over here as well, and launch the Epic Games Launcher successfully. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.